Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I bring to you another special and powerful bull and crash strategy. With this strategy, you will be able to grow any account size, be it a small account or a big account. Okay, so the strategy is a very simple one. It's a simple strategy to understand and it's a powerful one too. Like I said, you can use it to grow any account size. So before we go into that, let me quickly share with you guys the settings, okay, before I show you the conditions and the rules you need before taking an entry. Now first of all, we'll click on the F icon. Our first indicator right here is the moving average, okay, which is this one right here, the moving average. So the moving average, we have the period 10, the shift is 0, the method is linear weight, okay, apply to weighted close, okay, you can see it right here. Then under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is blue. So after this, click on done, and then our next indicator right here is the Bollinger Bands, okay, you click on it. The period is 20, deviation 0.500, shift 0, then the apply to, you set it to previous indicators data, okay, you choose the last one, which is this one right here, okay, so that's the one you choose. And then after that, under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is yellow, you can use any color of your choice, okay. And after that, you click on done, then you click on this F icon again, okay, and then you search for the MACD. After searching for the MACD, you click on it, then you set it like this, okay. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9, okay. Apply to close. Under the style we have 1 pixel, you make the color of your background, okay, you make this color the color of your background, and then the signal color, you make it red, okay, then you make it 3 pixel. Then after that, you click on done, okay, let me check if okay, that's it, you click on done, and after that you sorry guys, I made a mistake. Before you add the MACD, okay, you first of all add the stochastic oscillator, okay, this is the one we are first of all going to add, okay. So the period is 1, okay, you are going to make everything 1 here, okay. The price field, you put it on low, high, okay. Then the method is simple. Under the style, you can see right here, you make the color of your background, okay. Then the levels, okay, this is what we need, okay. You are going to make the level 15 and 85, okay. You make this list 2 pixel, and then you make the color black, okay, so that you can have this line right here, okay? So that the line will show, okay, the levels, the 85 and the 15, okay. So after that, we add the MACD, okay. It's after you have like add the stochastic oscillator and then you add the MACD, okay. So after you add the MACD, you can see these are the settings, okay. These are the settings. I've made mention of it before. So after that, you click on done, and then you add the moving average, okay. The moving average is the last indicator you are going to add. So the period is 1, shift 0, method simple, first indicators data, okay. And then the under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is blue. So after that, you click on done, and then you're going to have a screen like this, okay, a money downloading screen like this. Now, how does this strategy work? All you need to do is as simple as ABC. All you need to do is to first of all allow the blue, this blue and red, to get to the 85 level, which is our overbought level, okay. That is your first condition. Now for your second condition, what you need to observe first before taking an entry, you need to allow this blue line here to cross below this tree line here, okay. need to cross below the trend line, which is our Bollinger Bands. Okay, it needs to break through it, cross below it. Okay, so immediately you see that the blue line is below the yellow lines, then you are going in for 5 candles, guys. Not more than 5 candles if you are having a $10 account or a $20 account. Okay, you have to take only 5 candles, but if you are having more than that, you can take like 10 candles. Okay, so that is it. It's as simple as ABCD, guys. The strategy is not complicated, it's very simple to understand. You can also use this strategy to catch spike. Okay, now if you want to use it to catch spike, you are going to zoom out completely. Okay, for taking of regular candle, you zoom in 2 times, 1, 2. Okay, this is the zoom level for if you want to use it to take the regular candles, or if you want to use it to catch spike, you zoom out completely. Okay, so after zooming out completely, now this is what you need to observe before catching spike. First of all, you will allow the blue and the red line to get below our 15 level here. So once it is getting below the 15 level, the next thing you do now is to wait for spike. Okay, and the spike that will come, you are going to make sure it broke through the blue and the yellow line. Okay, it's going to break through it above. Okay, it must break through it. So immediately there's spike and it break through this the blue Bollinger Band, sorry, the blue moving average and the yellow Bollinger Band. So once it broke through it like this, the next thing you do is to take your entry from this point. Okay, you take your entry and then you set your stop loss below that spike. Okay, you set your stop loss below that spike, or you can close manually if you have lost $2. Okay, once it gets to $2 loss, you close manually, or you can set your stop loss if you are busy, and then you wait for your results. Now that is it for spike catching. But another thing that will help you make money faster is you are going to always make sure you do your analysis. Okay, from the higher time frame. Okay, let's say you want to catch spike. If you want to catch spike, you are going to make sure you are going to make sure the trend is an uptrend. Okay, you are going to make sure the trend is an uptrend. Now, how do you know we are in an uptrend? Okay, just like in our 1 minute time frame, first of all, you are going to allow the indicator to get to the 15-minute level here. Okay, it's going to touch the 50, get and the both of the indicators, the red and the blue, is going to be below the 15 level. Okay, now once it's below the 15 level, you are not going to take any trades. You are going to wait. You see the candlesticks right here. Okay, price needs to get above the price needs to get above the yellow Bollinger Band. And okay, let me just put it this way. Let me put it this way so that it will be simple. You need to allow the blue line here to cross below the yellow line. Okay, the blue line need to cross below the yellow sorry, above the yellow line. Okay, once it cross above it, okay, then you know you are now in an uptrend. Okay, now what you do is to go to your 1 minute time frame. Okay, you go to your 1 minute time frame and then you look for entries. Okay, as you can see right here, this is a perfect example for spike catching. You can see right here, let me zoom in. You can see that price was below our 15 level right here. Okay, then we wait for the spike. You can see there was a spike. It broke through the yellow Bollinger Band. Okay, let's say you take your entry from this place now, you will be able to catch this spike. You can see that, guys. You can see we are live now. This is live, and as you can see, the spike is still coming. You can see there's more spike here. This one just happened. So you can see that the strategy is very good. And for more spike, guys, more spike. You can see more spikes. Okay, let's say you want to take the regular candle, which is our ticks. Okay, this small candlesticks right here. The small candlestick. So you are trading the ticks, okay? You do the same thing. You go to the higher time frame, the 30-minute time frame, okay? And then you wait for the red, the red and the blue to get to the overbought level right here, which is your 85 level, okay? Which is your 85 level. And what you should do is to wait for a crossing of the blue. Now, first of all, you are going to wait for the red and the blue to get to the 85 level on your indicator window, and then on the main chart you are going to allow the blue line, the blue moving average, to cross below the yellow Bollinger Bands, okay, this three line. Once you see that the blue line have crossed below the yellow line, that is when you are to take, okay, sorry, you are to go to your 1 minute time frame, and then you wait for your conditions, okay, which is to allow the both line to touch this place, okay, to touch the 85 level, and then the blue line also to cross below it, okay. So as you can see, the strategy is very good, guys. It's very profitable. Just follow everything I've just explained. It's as simple as ABCD, and then I assure you, you are going to be making money every single day, okay. So that is it, guys. If you love the strategy, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Join our family in this channel. I post powerful strategies like this every time to help you grow your small account, and those that are still learning, so that they can be able to be profitable also and make money from the forex market. So that's it, guys. I'll close the content here now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. See you out.